In this video, I'll show you how to correct an envelope in Docusign with a clear and practical approach that works for most users. After logging in, head to the Agreements section where all your sent documents are listed, then locate the specific envelope you want to fix. By clicking the three-dot menu, you'll find the correct option, which lets you update recipient details, email addresses, or document fields. It's a useful feature, especially if you've made small mistakes, but keep in mind that major changes can sometimes reset parts of the signing process or notify recipients again. You can also reassign roles or adjust signing order if needed, but doing so should be handled carefully to avoid disrupting the workflow. Always review edits before saving to prevent delays or confusion. Overall, Docusign keeps this process fairly simple, but accuracy is still key when dealing with important documents. Subscribe for more honest, no-fluff tech tutorials that actually help you work smarter.